I am making a hedgehog cake. There's a lot of hedgehog cakes on the internet. This is a thing. There's even an Australian dessert called a hedgehog slice. It's all about the hedgehogs, baby. So, Shuchi helped me blow up the emoji. I unfortunately don't have a real hedgehog. I'm going to stuff him with all things good. First thing I want to do is chop up my chocolate bars. I'm just cutting it in squares. Are the bowls in the way, or can you capture this intense cutting? I'm thinking I won't cut these. I'll just leave them whole. So now I'm gonna make some caramel buttercream. I have a fresh batch of my Italian meringue buttercream and a cup of my homemade caramel. Are you ready for this shot, Shuchi? It's gonna be beautiful. Ready? Oh, do you see that? Heaven. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this into slices thinner than I usually do. I don't know if I should, yeah, I think I can only do 2 layers for this one. You know what time it is? Whoa, it's simple syrup time. I'm hoping I can maneuver this slab to sort of coat the inside of this sear pan. I'm not positive it will work. Okay, worth a try. What am I doing? Like, what do I get myself into? Okay, well, it's breaking, but I'm forcing it into the pan. Okay, let me just break it on purpose and force it in. What am I doing? Come on, yo. All right. All right. I'm gonna spoon in some of my caramel buttercream and spread it all the way around. I think there's gonna be dredging. It's all right. I like this. So now I'm going to, what am I gonna do? So I'm gonna put in some crispy crunch. It is very hot in here. I cut a circle out of here. Ready? Peanut butter layer. And then caramel it is. Can I put one more there? Yes, I can. I think maybe I should do all peanut butter cake inside. Stop it. Hello. I think I shouldn't have done crispy crunch first. That's my favorite one. I wasn't thinking clearly. Come on. Come on. You're good. Oh, that was good. That was great. All right. I hope I have enough for my plan. All right. Oh. Hedgie is going to be delicious. How will I know if it's level? Where's my cake pan? That seems pretty level, right? Okay, and now I'm gonna flip this sphere onto, whoa, it's heavy. At this point, I'm gonna take it to the fridge and let it set. It's the weirdest cake I've ever made. So, I'm gonna use Bernadette to help me remove the sphere pan. Come on, Bernadette, don't let me down. Okay. Bernadette's amazing. Now, I have to carve out Hedgie. So I'm gonna patch on some chocolate cake at the front. Give Hedgie a little neck. Come on. Like, it comes up over his face. I might ice this and then see how to add that. Let's go in the fridge and chill. Okay, so now I'm gonna make some sculpting Rice Krispies. I have Rice Krispies here, a little extra just in case, and marshmallows, which I'm going to heat up. So now I'm going to add it to the Rice Krispie. I've never sculpted Rice Krispie directly onto the cake, so this is the first. Is it hedgehoggy enough? Like once I bring the hair to here,
yeah,
right? Okay.
Once you put the features on, it just literally looks like a rodent body.
This now looks like frosting, eh? Do you notice that? The mixture, yeah. So this is a mixture of ganache and buttercream, because quite frankly, that's what we had. I was worried there wasn't enough ganache and there wasn't enough chocolate buttercream, so. So now I'm gonna cover Hedgie's little face and a bit of his underbelly with some neutral tan fondant. Come here, Hedgie. I don't know why, but I feel very nervous about Hedgie. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna drape it. Okay, so I'm using a veining tool to just make, oh sorry, my glasses are on, to make Hedgie smile. Now I want to use these scissors. I'm hoping, can't remember why I used these, pinata maybe? Yeah, and I'm hoping they'll help me cut the fondant like a fringe, because his hair is quite fringy. I also have to be very careful because I iced this cake in ganache, so it's really easy to stain the fondant with the chocolate, and I don't want that. Okay, Hedgie. I'm putting my hedgehog on a pedestal. Oh, Hedgie, please. All right, Hedgie's on. Okay, Hedgie needs some spikes. So I have these little cookie sticks that are dipped in chocolate, which is perfect because the bottom looks like Hedgie's little spikes. They get lighter at the top. However, they're not pointy, so I was thinking I could sharpen them. For his nose, I'm gonna use a Malteser. Maybe you. He's so cute, look at him. I'm gonna make his little eyeballs. Now I have to make this tiny little, I don't even know how I'm gonna get it in there. Shoot, it's honestly embarrassing. Because I just need 2 dots.
That's great.
The smallest piping bag I've ever worked with. Imagine we could have a real hedgehog as a model. We would never work.
Should we get a hedgehog for the studio?
No, who's gonna feed it?
Me. Yeah, let's do it. I can help.
Okay, so now Hedgie, you're adorable, but you need eyes. Wait, Hedgie can't hear. Hedgie has no ears. I have to select 2 perfect ears for Hedgie. Look how cute he is.
You know I love you, baby, more every day.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. It's Hedgie, the little hedgehog. He's cute and he's tasty too. Yay! I feel bad. Look at his little Malteser nose. No, I'll bite his nose off. I love Maltesers. It's like a tort. This is the hedgehog tenderloin. Here you can see the peanut butter cup that makes up his shins.
He looks delicious.
He does. He's cute and he's tasty too. I don't even know where to begin. Cake, buttercream. He's still cute. If you look at him like this, you don't even know he's cut, do you? This has been another episode of Hedgie the Hedgehog. It's Hedgie. What is it again?
The hedgehog.
No, the little hedgehog, right? It's Hedgie the little hedgehog. He's cute and he's tasty too. Bye.